Hello everyone, welcome to Color Tunes with Sampada and Poorvi. Today we'll see how to paint this beautiful landscape on a canvas. So all we need is a 3x3 inch canvas, acrylic paints, some brushes, water and a waistcloth. So let's get started. Here I've mixed crimson lake, white and lemon yellow to get this hue. I'll apply it all over the canvas. So here, as you can see, I've used a flat brush to give the background an even look. Now there, I've used direct white and I'm using a 000 brush. I'll make the sun over there and using water, I'll smudge it. Now that's white again and that's our sun right there. Now using the same brush, I'll make the clouds. So I've mixed lots of water with white to give this effect. Now that's Viridian green or dark green mixed with a little bit of red. I've mixed red to darken the green and not blue because the colors need to be in harmony. Mixing the green with the blue will also make it look really good, but then it would cool the color and the background would be warm. Here I didn't want the contrast. So here I'm using a 000 round brush to make some leaves. Be very careful while you do it. Just gently go on doing it. If you go wrong in this step, let the paint dry and apply the background color over it. And when it dries, you can redo. That's the best part about acrylics. Overlap some leaves, make some slanting, some twisted, overlap some branches. This will make the bushes look more lively. Now there I'm using crimson lake to add some flowers. I'm not adding any details right now, but we'll add some details as we proceed further. I've mentioned all the materials used in the description box, so do have a look over there. Now here I've taken the same color that we used for the bushes previously and added white to it. I'm just adding a lighter shade to the leaves. Since it is a lighter color, I'll apply it on the side where the sun is. Let's make some more branches with the color. Now to this same color, I'll add crimson lake and white. I'll apply this over the previous layer where we applied the light green. I'll not fully cover the previous layer with this color, it'll just be a highlighter. In the beginning it feels gross, but once you apply it to all the leaves, your overall painting will look more attractive and much more pronounced. That's Crimson Lake. I've mixed white with Crimson Lake and some previously mixed light green. So now let's just add some highlights to our beautiful flowers. The flowers are looking so pretty, right? Now I've mixed Crimson Lake with blue. So let's just add some depth to our flowers with this color. And that's it, we're done. In real time, this whole painting took about half an hour to complete. That's all. Please like, share and subscribe if you liked our video. Thanks for watching.